pole up. Don't pull, the things don't click on. It's the same name and it's clicked on. Down more up. The pole's going to go higher. Take it in now, Lee. You ready? Okay! Ready? Winch it now, Lee. Everything else, come on, let's just go now. Sliding through. That's it. Go with it now. Go. Okay, you mate. Come on, Paul. Downhill going on. Downhill is coming on. Down on the side. That's it. Okay. Look back. Leave the jib up. 87 now. You're telling me to pull back now, mate. No. Get more pull back. No, we're good. Don't try and get into it. That's a dive, you know what I mean? That's good. Leave it there. The weight over the gears, his hands up. Try and get some weight back into that. Keep on Paul. Push it on. Side now, okay. Try and balance it close back. You're not going to need anything on that now.
Definitely too tight to carry to E2, isn't it?
Oh, I think we'll be on our arse. Where's E2?
Where the back of the rear ventral is on your left?
Yeah, definitely. What we'll have to do, and when we've got it, it's only risky, it's going to be probably safer, yeah? Because we've got it, that's going to be They're going to have to dive, aren't they, for sure?
Yeah.
No, they are.
They will be on starboard of the charge.
Yeah, I think they'll be behind them, so that's tied, aren't they? The time is not marked for No. You wait back a bit here, just keep the bow out, that's all. Just watch that.
What's the main, Luke?
What's the main? That's all I'm saying. Maybe go behind the main. They are at the back. If you do, they're in front, you dive. You're right in the. Come on. I think the wind's got it going around all the time, you know.
Yeah.
Well done, everybody. That was good. It's not worth getting the jib down if it's not affecting anything. If you do wipe out, straight.
Oh, what? Okay. Yeah, so there's on the drop, there'll be guys at the board so hold it at the board so don't just bump it. And then hold it there until I help to let the guy off. I didn't get it controlled, but he's going to go off.
Behind me, there's just glad we did the guide set. I'm glad we didn't do a fairway set. I would have been happy with it.
Like daydream start.
Better behind me. Games
Green on the nose. Yeah. What's your trim?
Where's he two there? No, definitely two tight.
100% too tight. You're broad reaching here.